right, it's nighttime now. Nighttime of the first evening of Harvest 2016. So yeah, we started here this afternoon about 5:30 really. Me and my cousin brought the combine in, and we shelled 6 rounds around the field. It's a 5-acre field. Shelled 6 rounds around it, and then we brought the picker back, and we my dad's is picking. He's working on the 5th load. I think them little picking wagons can hold 90 to 100 bushel of ear corn. I think that's how it is, and I think that's what it is. So he is currently picking the 5th load, and I hauled out 2 loads. My uncle hauled out 2 loads, and then the 5th one. Let's see, and I'm chopping stalks. You can tell here, I've got a light out on this right-hand side on the back end. That one over there works, but that one doesn't. So we'll have to get that figured out here. It's probably just a bulb, to be honest. So yeah, we've currently there's like 1,300 bushels still sitting on the wagons. The truck driver's got of all weeks to do it. He's getting all of his truck. He's got 2 semis and 2 trailers. He's getting serviced before he gets busy, because he's going to get busy here in the next week, or right now really. And so yeah, there's the 6420 on the picker, and the 5425 is hauling the picking wagons to the crib, and the 6310 is on the elevator. I noticed my uncle, the first 2 loads I just set the wagon up, unhooked the 54, and hooked the 54 up to the elevator. But I see he put the 6310 on it, so hopefully that'll be easier on us. But yeah, we're knocking these stalks down because that picker will drag a lot, especially if you're picking high. See how high the ears are? I hope you can tell. They're a good 2 to 3, 4 feet up off the ground, and that picker will drag something terrible of all these stalks. And so we just try to keep them knocked down as we're chugging it along, and we go from there. So I don't know how long we're going to work tonight. It's when I checked my phone before I started recording, it was 8:40, so 20 to 8. So I think we'll probably go till 9 o'clock or something like that. Try to get as much done. There's no rain chance until Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so hopefully we can get the crib full. Yeah, hopefully we can get our crib done and that out of the way, picker back in the barn, and then as we where's the ditch at? As we and then after this rain moves through, we'll try to go into full-blown shelling. Because we took a moisture sample as we were shelling around it, and it was 16.7, I think. So, and then yesterday when I did it, it was 17.6, I think. 17.2, no, 17.2. So, perfect conditions is all I can say. Perfect conditions to start off on a good note for Harvest 2016. And here it is, September 14th. And I will come back to, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.